everyone, and welcome to or back to my channel. This is the first video here. Today I'm going to be doing a super exciting video. I'm going to be doing my first haul in this apartment. I'm going to be doing a huge first apartment home essentials haul. This is probably the biggest haul I've ever done on my channel. I feel like I say that with every haul, but like truly this haul is so big that it's like the stuff is filling this empty apartment. I'm actually kind of nervous for how long it's going to take me to film this haul. I even have beverages for myself. I don't have any coasters, so they're sitting on a paper plate. That's where I'm at right now. I'm sitting on a bath mat. If you guys are new here, my name's Emily. I do a variety of like fashion, lifestyle, some beauty content. Now I'm going to be doing a little bit more lifestyle because I'm going to be living in my own apartment. Definitely make sure to subscribe if you're not subscribed. Turn on the notification bell. Definitely make sure to thumbs up this video if you'd like to see more apartment content, and follow me on Instagram at emilygrace.26. Definitely make sure you're following me on there. Make sure to comment down below what your kind of like favorite home essentials are, like your favorite places to shop, and just some things that you think are necessary for your first apartment. Definitely appreciate your guys' feedback in the comments below, so make sure to leave a comment. I think that's everything I needed to say. So I just actually got my keys yesterday. If you guys haven't watched them already, make sure to check out my moving vlogs. I think they're gonna be up before this video, so I will link them up here at the top if you guys want to check them out. Watch those and kind of see me getting my keys and moving in here. I'm filming this kind of like my first day here, but the moving vlogs will probably show the rest of the weekend here. Does that make sense? The moving vlogs are going to show kind of like the next few days that I'm here. So you're going to see my couch getting delivered and me kind of like decorating. So if you kind of want a sneak peek of what this is all going to look like here in the next few days, definitely check out the moving vlogs. Also make sure to check out my apartment shopping vlogs because you can kind of see me going and getting all this stuff. I also talked about kind of an Excel spreadsheet that I made, which had a list of all the stuff that I needed to get, especially if you are getting your first apartment. Those videos would be super helpful. This is my first apartment. I had never really moved out for college or anything like that. I lived at home my whole life. I really needed everything, like actually everything. What I'm gonna be showing you in this haul is all of those things that you need for your first apartment. Let's just go ahead and get into it. I guess we'll go ahead and start off with the kitchen stuff because I feel like that is kind of the bulk of it. First off is salt and pepper. I just got these ones from Target. Honestly, I got like 4 hours of sleep last night. So if I say anything wrong, it is my first apartment, so I really don't even know what I'm talking about. This one is where you like grind the peppers. I got a toaster. So this one was a really good price if I can remember. I actually signed my lease almost 2 months ago, so I had a lot of time between signing my lease and moving in. It gave me a lot of time to really get everything I needed. Also helped me kind of spread out the cost. If you are like getting your first apartment or considering signing a lease for your first apartment, I would definitely recommend saving as much money as possible before you actually do it. There are so many things that you're gonna need to buy, which you'll be seeing in this video. This isn't even all of it. Like you also have to get furniture, and there's just so many other things. I would definitely recommend saving as much money as possible, even if you are like in high school and you're not planning on moving out anytime super soon. I would still recommend saving up. So I've been saving up and putting money back for this for a long time, even like when I was in high school. I've been working full-time as a manager at American Eagle for a while on top of YouTube. Whatever your situation is, I would just definitely recommend saving up in advance. It'll just make it a lot easier for you, so you can just buy what you need, buy what you want. Maybe give yourself a little time between signing your lease and moving in so you can kind of spread out the cost. That's what I did. It's just like black and silver, so it's not anything like, it's pretty average. Except I got this salad spinner. We use this all the time at our house. Like my mom has one. I got her for Mother's Day and we use it like all the time to rinse the salad. It just makes it really easy. I actually got from Costco and it was half the price of the one I had originally seen at Bed Bath & Beyond. I showed that in the apartment shopping. I will link everything I'm showing you guys in this video in the description below. So definitely check out those links. It's gonna take me forever to find them all, but I will have them all linked below. I tried to link this for another video and I couldn't find it from Costco, so I'll have to link the Bed Bath & Beyond one. But definitely if you have a Costco membership, check out Costco because it was like way less, and it's like the exact same brand. Obviously I had to get some silverware, so I just got this from Target, the set right here. I actually really like these because they're kind of thick at the bottom and they feel really nice and high quality, but they're still relatively lightweight. Of all the ones I looked at, which I actually did look at a decent amount, I really liked these. They're pretty affordable compared to like Crate & Barrel. These were just like a perfect in between of like affordable, they feel high quality, they're lightweight, they're pretty simplistic. I didn't want any like crazy designs. It's a 20-piece set, so you get 4 of each thing, but you can actually get them like a la carte. Is that the right word? You can actually buy them individually at Target. Since we're doing the kitchen, obviously we have to have this, the pots and pans. So I just got this one. I believe I got this at Bed Bath & Beyond. Just like a T-fall set. So here is everything that it comes with. I'll link it below in the description if you guys want to check it out. Honestly, I did not know what pots and pans to get. Like there's like a million different ones. I feel like my mom kind of helped me pick it out because she knew what to look for. I feel like my mom knows best. I have no idea when it comes to pots and pans. Like I genuinely have no idea. She said this one would be a good set for me. They're pretty lightweight. I didn't want something super heavy. A lot of the ones were like really, really heavy. Next up, I got this whole laundry basket full of just like random little utensils. I got this little like sponge dish sort of thing to set by my sink to put sponges in. Measuring cups. I got these ones, I think from Walmart. They're cute, they're nice. And then I saw some metal ones at Ikea. I don't know which ones I like more. These ones are kind of cute and just like lightweight, and they've got the colors, which is fun. But these ones just look very professional. So went ahead and got them both because these were actually the last ones at Ikea. Also got this ice cream scoop at Ikea. I showed this in one of the apartment shopping vlogs. And then I got this garlic press. I love pasta. I feel like I do make pasta quite a bit. And then I also got this at Bed Bath & Beyond, and it's just one of these avocado things. I make a lot of guac and avocado toast and stuff like that. So we have one of these at my house and I use it all the time. I got these little kitchen scissors for 88 cents. And then I got this bottle opener for like wines and whatnot. I got that from Ikea. I got this little napkin tray. I got a bunch of these like little baskets. I thought this would be a cute little napkin tray. And I also got these little measuring spoons. Just match the Walmart ones that I got. A bunch of different utensils. These are from Target and they're kind of like a gray color. Then I saw this one at Walmart as well from Walmart, like a spoon and then like a pasta straining spoon. I brought this from home. My mom didn't need it. I got a few of these. You could basically like only get them in a pack. I also got these little strainers. I got them from Ikea. I just got a couple of them. And then I got this little knife set from Target. It looks like this. And I got a couple cheese graters. So I got this big one from Ikea. I also got this little baby one from Amazon. My mom has one like this and I use it all the time, like literally all the time. I use Parmesan on like everything. So I always grate like fresh Parmesan for like salads, pastas, avocado toast. Like I put Parmesan on basically everything. This little baby one's nice. I might have to get another one of these honestly because I feel like I use this like every day. Also just brought this from home. I already have this, but I just thought I'd show you guys. This is really nice. I have this from Amazon. I will link it below. So I've just had this for a while, but it's so big. But this is really good if you need to drink a lot of water or you need to like kind of keep track of how much water you're drinking. This is kind of random and it doesn't go with kitchen stuff, but it was already in that basket. So I also just brought some batteries from home. I figured it's just be a good thing to have in my house. So gotta have some batteries. Moving on, I also got this dish drawing rack from Target. There's a flashlight in there. There's also this in it. I also got this little brush for my bathroom, like to clean my shower. It's got this little thing here that you could put. I did get a pizza cutter, but I used it last night because we had pizza. Also, I've got some kitchen towels. So I have these little dishcloths, which are from Target. I got like everything at Target. And I also got these kitchen towels. And they're just like this white with like a light gray color. I thought like a neutral kind of gray and white would look nice in my kitchen. It looks like this, it's kind of messy. I also got a couple just like plain white ones from Walmart. These were also like really, really cheap. Like in my house personally, I feel like we use like a million kitchen towels a day. I feel like we go through a lot of them. So I wanted to make sure I had enough. But currently it is October, so I could not pass these up. These are just like too cute. I know I don't really at this point need any more like dish towels or whatever. These were just too cute. So they're just like these little fall dish towels. These are from Target. They're from obviously like the Magnolia section. I'm obsessed. If you guys watched my apartment shopping vlogs, I just thought they were so cute. I think I also convinced my mom to get them as well. And then there were also some matching little like kitchen towels as well. So I just thought these were so cute and it gave me a little pop of color and they're just so cute in fall. When the Christmas stuff comes out, I will probably have to do a haul. Oh my gosh, I'll do a haul, like a home Christmas haul. So next up, I also got some oven mitts. These are from Ikea. These were a really great price. Also got some of these as well. I can't find, I think it came in like a 2 or 3 pack, but I can't find the other ones because we used them yesterday. So next up, I just got these mixing bowls. If you can't tell, it's like a little 3 pack. So So you get a dark gray, light gray, and then a white. I just thought these would be good. I do love to make cookies. I love the little cookies with like the peanut butter and the oats, like chocolate chip with peanut butter and the oats. So I do love to make cookies. So I thought these would be a good kind of like essential. So these are from Target. They're like plastic, so I feel like they wouldn't break easy or anything. Again, the gray theme, so I couldn't pass it up. I wasn't sure exactly like what kind of mixing bowl would be best. I actually already got these mixing bowls before I saw those mixing bowls, and I haven't returned any of them yet because I just thought I'd see what would be best. So I'll probably end up returning some of these, but I just thought I'd show you. So I also got this glass mixing bowl from Walmart. This one would be kind of like a good serving bowl if somebody comes over. You put like salad in. I also got just like this giant plastic bowl. I could not find this to link in another video, so I probably won't be able to link this, but it's just like a big plastic bowl. This would also be good maybe to put chips in if people came over, or also maybe to mix cookies in or something. They're all kind of good in their own way. We also just had an extra one of these at my house, so I got one of these just to kind of set in my cabinets. Then I also got this just to store all of my utensils in. I kind of wish I would have got a cuter one, but I feel like this would just look the best. I don't know. I also got this can opener, but we used this last night. It doesn't have the packaging. Worked really well, so I will definitely link it below. I don't remember the brand. I think it was the same brand as the other stuff I showed you. My mom was like, wow, this can opener is great. And I also got a couple cutting boards. This was probably not necessary, but I also got a muffin pan. I really do love blueberry muffins. I feel like I eat them a lot, so I was like, I might want to make them. I don't think I had the little muffin cup things though. I also just got this little mini cookie sheet. I showed this in one of my what I got for Christmas hauls actually, but it kind of just turned into a family cookie sheet. Like everybody used it all the time, so this is actually really good for just like breadsticks, or I'll like heat up my sandwiches on them. I like to like melt the cheese. I'll put my little sandwiches on them, so this is actually really handy. I also got this dish drying mat just to set under the dish drying rack. I also got these little organizers for my pantry, just to put like sugar, flour, the basics in. Got this jar opener from Ikea, and then this like little taco thing. I love this. I got these like tongs from Ikea. I thought this spatula was kind of unique because it's kind of like a spoon spatula. I thought it would be good for like eggs or something. And I got this like metal ladle, and I got this like brush, like a little dish brush. These toothpicks, I just brought them from home actually. We just had some extras. I got this knife. This one's from Ikea. Just brought some metal straws that I already had from home. It's like a weird way to hold it. I showed these in an Amazon haul, so I just brought this from home because I do like making iced coffee. And then I got a few things from Ikea to put above my sink. So I'll try to show you guys a picture. I think I have a picture I took in Ikea. It's just like this metal rack thing, and you can hang like utensils and a plant. So this little thing that'll hang is just like a little, I don't know if you can see the picture. You can put a plant in it, put above my sink, because I do have kind of like a empty space above my sink, if you guys can see that. I also got these just to put some like leftovers in, obviously dishes and glasses, but I don't have every single dish and glass to show you because some of them are in my dishwasher right now. I started to kind of unbox those yesterday. Mostly what I got, I showed it in my apartment shopping vlog. I got the Ikea 365 dishes, so just like the white porcelain Ikea 365 dishes. So I got like a big plate, a small bowl. They didn't have like a big bowl. Like I just wanted a couple big bowls for like salad or whatever. So I actually ended up getting those from Crate and Barrel. And then I got some white porcelain mugs from Crate and Barrel. Get some really cute pink dishes, but I think it only came in a set, but I actually found them in the as is section for like 50 cents. So I just got a couple of those, like some plates and bowls. And I also got just like some really cute glass, like iced coffee glasses. I showed those also in my apartment shopping. So I'll just kind of show you guys an overview of my cabinet once I get it kind of set up so you can kind of see everything quickly. I have a couple things here I'll show you. These Ikea glass drinking glasses. Oh my gosh, I can't speak, but just some glasses, some taller ones and some shorter ones. We have these at my house now and I drink out of them all the time. Also got these wine glasses from Ikea. You've gotta have wine glasses. Lastly, as far as like dishes and glasses, I also got these from Walmart. We also have these in my house and I like them because they're just like nice and tall. I like those a lot too, so I got these. And I also got this little soap pump. It's just like a marble soap pump. I just thought this would be cute at my kitchen sink. I also got a trash can. Got this hamper, which is currently storing all of my bathroom rugs that I got. It's from Home Goods, and that trash can is from Target. Starbucks break. I already have everything for my bedroom, like sheets and bedding, bedroom furniture, so I don't really need anything for my bedroom. The sheets that I have, I absolutely love, so if you need sheets, I would definitely check out the ones I have. The Urban Outfitters t-shirt jersey sheets, something like that. They are so comfortable. I've had them for over a year. They literally feel like that really soft t-shirt that's like stretchy and just like really soft. That's what they feel like. So it feels like you're sleeping on like a really soft t-shirt. My sister is now obsessed with them as well. For some reason, the white ones seem softer than the other colors. Definitely check those out. I will have them linked below. Pick up a shower curtain. I got this one. I think this is also from Bed Bath & Beyond. This one is white, but it just has the right amount of texture. So it wasn't like too plain, but it wasn't like too textured. I don't know, just got like some subtle little textured stripes. And then I just got some little hooks. I don't know which ones I'll end up liking. So I just got a couple different ones. The ones from Walmart were actually a lot cheaper than the ones from Target, and they were like the same thing. By the way, I think that was everything from the kitchen. So now we're moving on to the bathroom. This for my bathroom is just like a little thing you can set your skincare, hair care, whatever. My sister ended up really liking it for her. So she moved into college. So she ended up taking the one I originally got, and she loves it. So we'll see how it looks. I obviously had to get some towels. So I just got some white bath towels. I just kind of wanted everything to be very clean, kind of hotel-like, just very neutral, crisp, clean. So again, just white bath towels. I got some with little gray stripes, and then I also got just some plain bath towels, just plain white. I think I'm gonna keep all the decoration stuff separate and actually do a whole separate video with like a home decor haul. So I got a lot of decorations and they're not really essential, so I'll probably show you guys that separately. It's not bathroom related, it's actually kitchen related, I forgot. But I also did get these little like drawer dividers from Ikea. I might use these for like the utensils. I also got a lint roller, which is super random, but I just walked past it in Ikea. And then I got some little refills because it's actually looks like this would go pretty fast. I did get some washcloths as well, but I think they're somewhere else. And then I got this little trash can for my bathroom, some soaps from Bath & Body Works, some little fall soaps. I'm not gonna show you every single one. I also got a variety of power strips, a surge protector or something. My parents said I needed that for my TV, like a surge, something surge. You plug it in and it helps if there's like a storm or something. Here in the Midwest, we get a lot of tornadoes. That's actually pretty much everything. I just also have some cleaning supplies, so I'll just show you those really quickly. I just don't want to move them over there. So I got a toilet brush. This actually goes with the kitchen, but I got a paper towel holder. I already got some paper towels on it. Windex, cooktop cleaner, Shout, bleach pen, soft scrub, some trash bags, toilet bowl cleaner. I also have some like Clorox and Lysol wipe type of thing. I also have all of my like drawer stuff, like Ziploc bags, wrap. I have some soap to fill my soap dispensers. I have like these little, I have a package of these like little, I think they're called like magic erasers, but they have like soap in them. Dish soap. I have this little toilet paper holder. I also have a broom, some paper, some more paper towels. I have some extra toilet paper as well. It's like a little Swiffer mop thing. And then I have my vacuum, not anything too fancy, and my TV. So this was a really good deal. If you guys watched, again, the first apartment shopping was like half off. It was like $180. I do have some bath towels and bath mats. So I got this little thing for my shower that you can just stick in there. Also got this shower liner. I did get laundry baskets, but I use them to store all of the stuff I showed you in the haul. So I did get some really cute little dishes to put on my bathroom vanity, to put like little cotton balls in, Q-tips and stuff like that. They're from the Magnolia section in Target. They are like bubble wrapped because they're all like sold out, and I had to like go to 15 different Targets to find them all. Show you guys pictures of those. So I did get those, but I think that's actually everything. So I'm gonna start unboxing all of this. I hope you guys enjoyed the haul. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to thumbs up if you did enjoy, and subscribe if you're not subscribed. Check out the moving vlogs and the apartment shopping vlogs, and make sure to follow me on Instagram at emilygrace.26. See everything happening in real time. At this point of this being uploaded, my apartment's probably like mostly decorated. So definitely head over to my Instagram and see what everything is looking like. Thank you so much for watching this haul, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.